Hello friends, good morning. Let's talk about daily commodity and currency trend and important levels for intraday perspective. Yesterday we have noticed that gold has traded on a positive note and silver also traded on a positive note. This is due to because the weakness of dollar supported the gold prices, and yesterday we have noticed that gold had a touch of a high of 47,298, and yesterday also silver touched the high of 51,065 levels. For intraday perspective, gold has a strong support at 46,900 and resistance at 47,750. Silver has a strong support at 50,250 and resistance at 51,350. For today perspective, we are expecting a positive trend in bullions, so we are recommending to buy on dips in gold and silver. Yesterday we have noticed that base metal are also trade on a positive note. Yesterday we have noticed that copper made a high of 422 levels, increased by 1.49%. And if we talk about the zinc also increased by almost 1% and traded at 161 level. For intraday perspective, copper has a strong support at 419 and resistance at 427 level. Zinc has a strong support at 157 and resistance at 166 level. Today we are expecting that base metal will trade on a positive note, so we are recommending to buy in base metal. Now let's talk about the energy segment. Today crude has touched the high of 2706, and in international market it's touched the high of $35.70 per barrel. As expected, it is trading on a positive note. For intraday perspective, crude has a strong support at 2600 and resistance at 2780. Resume of major economies and resume of major industry activity. This is support the crude oil prices, increasing demand from aviation sector as well as domestic sector. Crude oil prices are going higher, and we are expecting the trend will follow and crude will trade on a higher side for intraday as well as short term perspective. So for intraday perspective, we are recommending to buy in crude oil on a dips, and we are expecting the target of 2750 to 2780 in intraday levels. Now if we talk about the agriculture segment, yesterday we have seen that cabinet had increased MSP in major commodities. Due to this, we saw that all major commodities has traded on a positive note. So today we are expecting the same trend, and agriculture commodity will trade on a positive note. So for that perspective, we are recommending to buy AgriDX, which is a new index, return based commodity index, which can buy for intraday perspective. So for that, we are expecting it will trade on a positive note. So all agriculture commodity will trade on a positive side for today. So we are recommending a positive trend and buy on in agriculture segment. Now if we talk about the forex segment, currency segment, yesterday we saw that USD INR trade on a sideways manner. However, it yesterday touched the high of 75.45 appreciation mode. Since dollar index is trading on a negative side, it is traded below 98. So we are expecting some appreciation in USD INR. So we are recommending to sell in USD INR. For intraday perspective, USD INR has strong support at 75.50 and resistance at 76.10. So we are expecting appreciation in USD INR. Thank you.